Hello, stellar people, and welcome back to the channel, where today we'll be going over my 2025 plan. It is 2025, and this is my plan for 2025, especially on YouTube. So I have my cover image in this nice little folder that I'm going to be more focused, right? Right. So let's go. I have this little book for a brain dump, just to try to keep it all together if I think of something. But we have, first off, our goals and metrics. Our goals and metrics for 2025, the year of the snake. And so I have them in the highest priority to the lowest priority, Willis Henry being the top, and all the things I want to get done for this. Beautiful Beast Kiss is number 2, and a coloring activity and stickers for 3. And at the bottom, I have some bonus items that I could try to get done, but I think 3 is enough for the year. And then I have I'm breaking the year into quarters, and I have these quarters that I can, pencil in or pin in some things of, did I meet some metrics? Like in winter, did I get some pages done? Did I get the project done? That's what I want to try to keep track of. So that is where I'm trying to be more organized. Winter, spring, summer, and fall. Now, I also try to think about my year in 3-year increments, right? Because I want to plan. I want a plan of where I'm going. So 25, 26, and 27. I pretty much know what I'm doing in 2025. I have some thoughts about 2026 and some thoughts about 2027, but these are all tentative, but we focus on this year. So I have the side quests of what else I have thoughts on. I have some website, YouTube, and business thoughts, but also current metrics like page counts for different projects, YouTube number of videos and subscribers, Instagram, blog. And I try to keep that all on one sheet to think about where I'm going in the future. Now, for YouTube, I am breaking the year up, well, for everything, into 4 quarters. The winter, spring, summer, and fall quarters. And in December, we'll do a metrics year in review. So let's get started with the daily schedule for winter. Winter is interesting in that it is you got to get back on the horse, and after the holidays, there's a little bit of a stupor. So we get into the habit of, what's the daily schedule? So I want to wake up at 7 to 7 approximately is my day. Start at 7. I want to write for half an hour. So from 7 to 8 or 8 to 8:30, and then have breakfast. Willis Henry is my priority because that's when I'm the most active, both mentally and physically in the mornings. So that's Willis Henry. 11:30, exercise for half an hour. From 12 to 1, I do language studies. Currently I'm working on Japanese, Spanish, and Korean. And then from 1 to 2 is lunch. From 2, I start YouTube, either writing for half an hour, a script for the next YouTube video, or filming, usually on Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, for the next video to be uploaded on Tuesdays. I try to always post on Tuesdays. Then at 3 o'clock, we start backgrounds, which is one of the focus of this year, and watercolor, because I just love doing it in the afternoons. Until 5 o'clock. 5 o'clock, get off work, and that is the learning period. And you can learn, I want to learn mostly digital, how to color digitally, but also video making, maybe some Blender, background studies, all of that is what I can learn in the evenings. Now I take that daily schedule and turn it into the quarterly schedule. So for January, we're getting off the holidays, and it's that restart sluggishness. Post on Tuesdays, so I have YouTube on Tuesdays, freestyles on Fridays. But I think for the first the last 2 weeks in January, I want to do a boot camp just to get myself out of my malaise and get myself fired and back into fight mode art-wise. February, we have freestyles, and February is the shortest month of the year, and so I try to have a project that encompasses the whole month. And this time it's going to be Illustrator and this coloring book project. So I want to have Beautiful Beast Kiss as the focus of this, doing things in Illustrator, learning about the program Illustrator, and getting better at that to make a coloring book. For March, we begin the 100-day march because it is a great block of time. It's cold outside. I'm mostly inside working. And so I try to get to a great place, and this is where I will be doing comics, how to make comics, my process, and I want to do this is how I make comics the full extent, using Beautiful Beast Kiss, Chapter 3. I also might have some digital learnings, how I'm learning digital painting in this month, but we shall see. So that brings us to the spring schedule. So my spring dailies are wake up at 7, write for half an hour, breakfast at between 8 and 9. At 9, we do Beautiful Beast Kiss, which is a change from previous quarter. And that for the 100-day march, we want to bring this one to the top, where I'm most fresh and vibrant, and work on this until 11:30. 11:30 exercise, 12 o'clock language, 1 o'clock lunch, 2 o'clock YouTube writing for half an hour, or filming for the next week's video. Willis Henry is now in the back half, and watercolor at 3 to 5. At 5, we start learning. We continue the 100-day march, but also I want to do a watercolor series for beginners. How to paint in watercolor. I might split that up and the Beautiful Beast Kiss comic stuff to maybe a Tuesday, Thursday thing, but we'll figure that all out. May, again, Freestyle Fridays. Watercolor and Beautiful Beast Kiss comic are my focus. And I might do, again, those 2 separate things, or maybe I'll just do one. I'll think about it. June is the end of the 100-day march, and we should be nearing completion. And I want to show how to make the whole process of making comics for Beautiful Beast Kiss. That should end somewhere in June. But that comes to summer. Summer will only be 2 months, July and August. And because I'll be inside and out of the office fairly frequently because of family, we might be traveling, just enjoying the summertime. I could be doing all of those things. And who wants to be inside working? So it'll be a little different. But still, daily schedule. Wake up, write for half an hour. Breakfast at 8. 9 o'clock, Willis Henry is back in the top spot. That prime area of 9 to 11:30. 11:30, exercise. 12, language. 1, lunch. YouTube at 2 o'clock, either writing or filming a video for half an hour. Then at 3, Willis Henry, backgrounds and watercolor from 3 to 5. And at 5, we start our learning section. On the calendar, YouTube, I might be a bi-monthly 2 posts on YouTube for the month of July and August, but we'll see how this works out. August, again, 2 posts a month, Freestyle Fridays, and most notably, we have our goals and metrics reviews. By this point of the year, I should have a strong idea of, did I get any of this done? And halfway, more than halfway through, do I have the stuff done? Did I actually do it? Did I look at the calendar? Did I keep on track? Or was it pretty much a no? Still needs work, but we shall review that. And that brings us to fall. The fall quarter, the last quarter, And this is inking season. The whole fall quarter is just about inking season. So the daily schedule is we wake up at 7, we write for a half an hour, breakfast between 8 and 9. At 9, we do Willis Henry. And to 11:30 exercise. At 12, it's language studies. Till 1 o'clock lunch, 2 o'clock YouTube, either writing on Mondays. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, we film for half an hour. And then after that, it's ink, Willis Henry, and watercolor. But primarily, inking is the priority. This is much how I did it last year. And you can watch those videos on what I learned about inking. And that will be until 5, where we do learning studies again until 7. High level of consistency in the daily schedule, just some minor tweaks. But I think I kind of got it how I like it. So September, we come out of summer and we get back to work. Fridays, freestyle. Tuesdays, YouTube videos. And this one, since it's inking season, we'll do materials and tools. And then the week after that, we'll probably do ink test on paper, cross-hatching, swirlies, testing out brushes and pens, and all of that. Then we go into short projects to October. Again, Freestyle Fridays, YouTube, project number 1. I'm not sure if they're going to be weekly projects or a project for the whole month, but we'll figure that out. November, still inking, but we have Thanksgiving at the end of the month, so everything has to end around here. Inking season officially ends around here. So again, Freestyle Fridays, inking project number 2, and that should end on the 18th of November. We have Thanksgiving week, and after that, it's December. And December is the final month, and we're going to do a year's end, right? Freestyle still on Fridays. 2 to 3 YouTube videos will be, how did the metrics go? Did I do the things in this book, or did I flub it? I don't know. We'll find out at the end of the year. And then on the 16th, we'll do a final YouTube video, a year in review. We'll look at all of this whole thing, and then we'll figure out, was it good or was it bad? What videos were awesome? What videos weren't so great? We'll lay that all out. And then we'll go on about a month break for the holiday season. Because, I like to have a life. And I think you should too. And that is December. My plan for 2025. We have a plan, everybody. That's great. So thank you for joining me. I have been Trey. You can find my work at treyhodges.com. I hope to see you in the next video. Power to the creator. Keep shining, everybody, and I'll see you on the next video, which should be a boot camp video. Take care. Bye-bye.